What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we'll be adding arms to our very first A count. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this episode, we will be using episode 1, so if you haven't learned that one yet, be sure to check that one out before coming to this one. Alright, so a quick tip for your arms. You want to do something what I call air out your armpits, which means you want to have space between here and you're not closed in, okay? So when we add our arms, no matter what it is, we really want to keep our arms out and big versus being in tight here. That goes for if I ever come across in my body too. I don't want to be in tight here, but I also want to have space here. Alright, so for the arms for this one, all we're going to do is keep a constant tempo of our arms going open, close, open, close throughout the entire A count of this first A count. So we're gonna start open. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes open, close, open, close. From here, again, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, so open, close the whole time, but try to keep that constant rhythm, and also let your arms kind of flow naturally versus thinking like open, close, open, close. Okay, so natural kind of arms. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. All right, so let's try that again. I will face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, open. First, this goes open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. One more time. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And we're open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. All right, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways for today's episode. You really want to have your arms flow naturally versus thinking point A to point B and very sharp. So natural flow with your arms. Also, again, you always want to keep air out underneath your armpits and not tight in. This makes you look very nervous. It's called T-Rex arms. And this makes you look a little bit more confident and a bigger movement. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video right now and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.